one of the founders of Apptopia. I wanted to reach out to you today because we're completely launching a new version of our daily active users and monthly active users. For those of you who are familiar with the app intelligence space, there is no single data point that's more challenging to estimate than usage. 18 months ago, we took a crack at this, and to be completely frank, we only did an okay job. Our models fell pretty short in terms of hitting the right volume of usage, as well as having the correct day over day, week over week, month over month movement of a growing or a declining user base. Today, I am extremely excited to announce that we've come pretty close to nailing this, guys. And so V2 is something to get really excited about. And what I want to do is talk with you a little bit right now about what changes we made to the model and how we actually made them better. So the first major change is that over the last 6 months, we've been able to increase the amount of apps that we have data on in the top 100 free and in the top 100 grossing over 25%. That means our view into what's happening with the apps that are getting the most new users and users that are spending the most time and money inside an app has increased over 25%. This has given us an unbelievable amount of additional visibility. The second thing that we've done is we have incorporated device data into our model. Now, thus far, device data, or you might know it as panel data, we've avoided it completely, even though a lot of our competitors focus on it, because frankly, it's hugely biased. However, what we realize is that by combining device level data with the direct measurement data that we get directly from iTunes Connect and Google Play has given us a more full view of the user lifecycle than ever before. We've added about 40 million devices worth of data into our model. We've done this by partnering with some of today's biggest SDK and attribution companies. Third thing that we've done is we've essentially built smarter models. So our previous models had huge gaps where you might have actually seen downloads for a given day or a given month be more than the daily active users. With our new release, what we've done is we've fed each model into the other model. So what it means is that daily active users understands downloads. Monthly active users understands daily active users. Our up-and-coming sessions model understands daily and monthly active users. And so what happens is you're going to get a much more holistic view of kind of how someone is progressing through the process of utilizing an app. The fourth and major thing that we've done to improve these models is we've incorporated retention into the models. So if you think about usage at its absolute most bare bones level, the number of users of an app are some factor of all the total downloads that an app has ever received. Now, we haven't made our models quite that simple, but we've realized that our understanding of retention is extremely high. And so one thing we've done a very good job of is incorporating retention into these models. And the result you should see from that is that when you start to look at an app over time, you'll start to see a much more interesting, much more gradual, much more real life growth and decline trend of apps that are doing well. Now, I'm sure you hear lots of people, lots of founders, lots of people emailing you about how much better they've gotten and why you need to see them, why you need to try them. Frankly, if you're sitting there thinking that it's complete bullshit, we support you completely. We love it. We want you to test us, not believe us. So if you have any app that you want to see daily active users on, monthly active users on, any app in any country, just email us, okay? Email us, email anyone in the company. We'll send you a snippet of data for any app you want in under 24 hours of your request, and we'll show you in real tangible data how much better we've gotten, why you need to trust us, and why we're a great partner to work with as you continue to navigate the app space.